Hi. So we've been examining the first things first page. This is how I'm going to run my theoretical courses. They are all explained here. Teaching platforms, videos are here. Learning platforms, videos are here. Exams, videos are here. Now evaluation, how we are going to do the evaluation is going to be, this video is going to come here. So what is evaluation? Evaluation, we done it for each course and for each chapter. So randomly I go into a chapter. That's the chapter. So in this chapter, under the title of evaluation, you're going to see these two student questionnaires. One of them is chapter-based evaluation. So for each chapter, there is an evaluation test questionnaire here, and that is the instructor evaluation. So if we click to this one, this is how you see it. I'll make a student view evaluation of this one. So when you look at this evaluation here, it says for this chapter there is a learning outcome written here. So it says how you learn this learning outcome. You learn it, yes. You didn't learn it, no. So if your answer is yes, so yes, you learned because you work hard. Yes, you learned because instructor was good. Yes, because course materials were good. So you're going to put those in an order. So you're going to say that I learned this because mostly I work hard. Secondly, another column, materials was good. And that's third. And secondly, instructor was good. So you put in an order. You can make another order if you liked. You can change it. But once you click one, so you, without saving it, if you make a mistake, you can go back. So you put in an order. So if your answer is no, so you didn't learn this learning outcome. If you didn't learn, you can explain I didn't work because of I didn't work, I didn't learn this. Because instructor was not good, that's why I couldn't learn it. Material was not good, so I couldn't learn it. So you're going to put, once again, just three choice here. If your answer is no, you didn't learn the learning outcome, you're going to put them in an order as well, right? So totally you're going to put how many, just 3 clicks for this question. The next one, let's say for the next one, what you see here, it says this question is for the determination, usage and contribution of the educational means. So these are the educational means that I offer to you. That means teaching platform, Prezi, YouTube, and learning platforms, self-test, peer assignment, Python, and Proteus. So these are the materials that I am using this. If it says here, it asks you, you used one of them, you must use in order to make a decision, and then tell what was the contribution of that usage. So you're going to put it in an order. So what it means, let's say you have chosen this one as the first. So what it means is this. Peer assignment was a tool which contributed you mostly to understand this chapter. Okay? If it is the second one, let's say this one, so secondly this contributed. Thirdly, this contributed. Fourthly, this contributed. So you're putting in an order. The conclusion that we are going to get out of this, which tool contributes your understanding. If one of the tool is mostly contributes your understanding among the students, I would improve this. If there are some tools that doesn't help contribute to understanding of students, we can drop it. So I can get some conclusion out of this. On the other hand, you might get some other conclusions as well. So let's say you haven't used some of the tools at all. So you're not going to click those. In this case, you might say that, okay, it is worth considering this. Let's say most of the students among the class, they said they learned by using self-test very much. Most of the students says that. If you are one of the students saying that, not self-test, but Protos helped me to learn. So that means it is worth considering once more to study self-test to improve your understanding. Because most of the students, they get a benefit from it. You might get it when you try once more. So you could get some conclusion, and I can get some conclusion according to the results of this questionnaire. So these are the two things. So there's a total number of clicks that you're going to click. Here is just 6. The previous one was 3. So total clicks is just 9. So very simple, isn't it? The next one, that's our exit. So come out of that. So you see, very simple. But you're going to do it for each chapter. So after you study each chapter, you can take this questionnaire, which takes just about two minutes, maybe less than that, just 9 clicks that you're going to click. But you might say that, okay, I studied this chapter and I done the evaluation as well. Let's say you are studying for the midterm. Maybe you're going to study this chapter once more. Then your new understanding of the chapter might be changing. You might take this questionnaire anytime you like. You can repeat it. If you say that you change your mind, you can repeat it and take the questionnaire once more. What you're going to pay for is just a few minutes. So this is related with the evaluation of the chapters. This second evaluation is based on the instructor evaluation. Instructor evaluation is another questionnaire for you. So this is related with the instructor. So this is about me. Let's say one of them, 4. In English, office hours was adequate to ask questions. So whether it is adequate or not. So if most of the students, most of the students say that we couldn't find the instructor to ask the question, so I can get a result from this, isn't it? I can expand my office hours and try to give you a chance to ask questions. So each of these feedback improves my behavior in the teaching process. Okay, so this is a good for you. You've got a chance to criticize your instructor. This is quite democratic case, isn't it? So this doesn't take for a long time. So this doesn't take for a long time because you're going to click just 16 questions, just clicks. So let's say within a few minutes you could do that. Once again, you might change your understanding of the teacher. You might change your decision on some of the subjects related to teacher. Then you could repeat the questionnaire as many times as you like. You can repeat it and you can access it anytime you like. So you are totally free to do that evaluation anytime, any place, any repetition. So let's say the conclusion, come back to the page again. So I'm talking about this evaluation. This evaluation at the end helps me to improve my teaching. It also helps you to improve your learning. That's why it is a good thing to do. And what you're paying for is very little. A very short time you're going to spend on this. So that's the end of this video as well.